Joining us now is Commodore J. Tariela, spokesperson of the Philippine Coast Guard for the West Philippine Sea. Commodore, thank you for joining us.
Hello, magandang umaga po sa inyo at magandang umaga sa ating mga taga-subaybay.
Alright, confirm po lang po namin itong latest PCG monitoring, yung how close po talaga did the Chinese Coast Guard vessels get to Luzon? Kasi madaming medyo kinakabahan Commodore.
Yes, no, ang data that we presented a few days back, they showed yung deployment ng China Coast Guard sa taon ng 2025. And based on our record, the closest approach is 23 nautical miles off the coast of Pangasinan. There are also approaches as near as 25 nautical miles and 26 nautical miles sa may gawin naman ng Mindoro. So, makikita natin dito, na ang Chinese Coast Guard comparing in 2024, mas na-disperse na yung deployment nila. Because in the previous years, ang deployment lamang ng Chinese Coast Guard is pretty much concentrated in Bajo de Masinloc and within that particular vicinity.
But I was wondering lang po, Commodore, ano po ba yung criteria ng PCG that you guys use to determine kung ang CCG ba nagpapatrol, nagko-constitute ng encroachment versus normal navigational presence?
Well, una sa lahat, kung they're going to exercise yung freedom of navigation, kapag challenge sila ng Philippine Coast Guard, that would be the response. But unfortunately, every time we challenge them over the radio, sinasabi nila that what they're doing is that they're conducting their own legitimate law enforcement patrol. Ibig sabihin, inaangkin nila talaga yung water.
Right.
So there's no denying to that. Secondly, we would like to believe that it is their intention to normalize itong mga ganitong illegal na patrol nila. So that 10 years, 15 years from now, sasabihin nila, dati na namin pinagpapatrolyan yan. So, it's important for the Philippine Coast Guard to challenge and document and expose all these incursions in Chinese Coast Guard para hindi nila sasabihin na the Philippine government allowed them to do that. So, paano tayo nag-acquiescence?
Yeah.
So, sinabi natin, inallowed na natin sila and we just gave up the entire West Philippine Sea for them to patrol.
And Commodore, now yung palapit ng palapit ang Chinese Coast Guard vessels and also expanding operations around the Scarborough Shoal. Paano na po yung mga fishermen natin moving forward?
Well, I also released yung sa annual report namin yung documentation o the movement of the Filipino fishing boats. Comparing it to in 2024, noong mga panahon na yon, ang mga mangingisda natin, although hindi sila nakapasok sa loob ng shoal, ay nandun pa rin sila sa vicinity ng Bajo de Masinloc. But in 2025, since we saw much dispersed and aggressive deployment of the Chinese Coast Guard, ang mga mangingisdang Pilipino din natin, na itaboy din sila ng palayo. So they're also scattered off the coast of Luzon.
Okay, so ngayon po ba, ano pa po yung mga nakita natin na, kasi gumagawa po sila ng excuse that they would say that this is a nature reserve, that's why they're there. Pero may mga structure na po tayo mga nakikita. At this point in time, can you share with us any update on that?
Well, the structure na nakita natin mula noon hanggang the present time, since we did the MDA flight, it remains to be the same. Ito yung dalawang buya na inilagay nila sa loob ng Bajo de Masinloc and on the other side of the shoal.
Okay, kamustahin ko na rin po pala, mabilisan lang po, Commodore, yung BRP Sierra Madre natin. Kamusta po yung ating mga kasamahan po doon? And meron na po bang, kasi ngayon, di ba, they were trying to parang i-renovate yun, pero hindi nga makalusot. Pagkain nga lang, hinaharangan na.
Well, on the part of the BRP Sierra Madre, that's for the armed forces of the Philippines. Though the Philippine Coast Guard is always in support of all those resupply operations na ginagawa nila.
Pero tuloy lang po yung nyo po, yung pagsuporta sa pagbibigay ng mga supply.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, muli maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, Commodore J. Tariela, spokesperson of the Philippine Coast Guard for the West Philippine Sea.